Finolube is an established name in the Indian petroleum scene. Today ranks amongst the country's leading manufacturers of lubricants and specialities, confirming to high-quality standards. Finolube has the most modern facilities and infrastructure at its plant located at Vapi, Gujarat. Finolube uses sophisticated technology to produce an impressive range of premium quality products from industrial, automotive oils and petroleum specialities.
The most common type of engine on the road today is the internal combustion engine. This engine uses small, controlled detonations of fuel to produce the power that propels the vehicle. This video explains the basic operation of the internal combustion engine and why it needs the right lubricant to run smoothly and safely. Every internal combustion engine consists of several main components working together to power the vehicle. At the core of the engine is the cylinder, with a moving piston inside. Thousands of times every minute, the cylinder will fill with air. In the case of a direct injection engine, a precise amount of fuel is applied at the precise time. The mixture will compress and ignite when the spark plug is energized by the ignition system. The force of the detonation propels the piston, and this power stroke is converted into rotary motion by the engine's crankshaft. The high-energy rotation of the crankshaft is then harnessed by the transmission to allow controlled driving of the vehicle. Most of the other parts of the engine share a common goal: to precisely control the input of fuel and air so that the mixture ignites at precisely the right time. Smooth and efficient operation of the engine requires that all these different engine parts remain synchronized under different speed and load conditions. So the purpose of the motor oil is to cool, clean, and lubricate your engine to keep it running smoothly. Let's take a closer look and see how this works. A typical vehicle's oil pan holds about 4 to 6 quarts or liters of oil. This is where the motor oil begins its cycle. The engine needs an oil with optimum viscosity properties to be directed to all critical engine parts as quickly and as efficiently as possible. As soon as the car cranks, the oil pump pressurizes the motor oil and propels it on its way. It passes through an oil filter to trap any debris it may have picked up along the way. It surrounds the crankshaft and then proceeds to separate and cushion all the engine parts that need to stay lubricated. Lubricating the main bearing and the underside of the piston provides a primary cooling effect, helping control the extreme heat of gasoline combustion. Together with piston rings, the oil helps to seal the combustion chamber, ensuring maximum transmission of power to the crankshaft and keeping contaminants out of the crankcase. Lubrication is also vital for the camshaft and valve train. They maintain the precise timing needed for top performance. After its job is done, the oil flows back to the oil pan to start its cycle all over again, keeping everything running clean, smooth, and cool. Today's engine designs are evolving to meet the growing demand for fuel economy. Gasoline direct injection, turbocharging, and engine downsizing are just a few of the updates that are becoming increasingly common. These advancements bring new challenges for motor oils: higher operating temperatures, increased need for deposit control, increased oil durability to resist thermal stress, increased wear protection, higher loads, increased need for sludge protection, and more.
Growing together.